Hi, I'm Heidi Toby, Director of Social Work Programs at Therapist Development Center. If you're a first-time viewer and looking to pass your social work or MFT licensing exam, or just interested in topics relevant to clinical social work and psychotherapy, you've come to the right place. If you like it, be sure to subscribe for updates. You can also sign up for our complete LMSW, LCSW, and MFT exam prep programs by going to our website at therapistdevelopmentcenter.com or click on our logo. Today's topic is subpoenas. Many of us preparing for our ASWB social work exams have never encountered a situation in which we are being subpoenaed. This also happens to be a topic that's often overlooked during our schooling. This leaves a lot of social workers feeling very unprepared for questions around privilege and subpoenas on the LMSW and LCSW exams. It is almost a guarantee you'll see this subject show up on your test, so it's an area you want to go in feeling confident about. The good news is TDC's LMSW and LCSW programs cover this subject thoroughly, and you have access to a coach you can email with any lingering questions you have on this or any other topic. What are subpoenas? A subpoena is a written request to produce records or to appear in court. Where can subpoenas come from? You can receive a subpoena from a lawyer, or you can also receive a subpoena or court order from the court or judge for records or for testimony. What do I do if I receive a subpoena? How you will respond to a subpoena depends on 1, who it is from, and 2, what it's for. Under some circumstances, you can assert privilege, while in others you cannot. Asserting privilege means the social worker can refuse to provide any information, including knowledge of the client. So, when can you and can't you assert privilege? If you are subpoenaed by a lawyer for the written record, you can assert privilege on behalf of your client if they do not want you to turn over their record. When you're subpoenaed by the court or a judge, you cannot assert privilege and have to turn the record over to the court. If you think it could be damaging to the client to do so, you can advocate for confidentiality or a limited release, but if they say no, you must turn over the record. If you're subpoenaed for testimony, you cannot assert privilege. Privilege only applies to the written record. ASWB practice question. A social worker is working with a client who is suing his former place of employment for wrongful termination. The social worker receives a subpoena from their client's lawyer for a copy of the client's record. What should the social worker do first? A, contact the client to determine their wishes. B, assert privilege on the client's behalf. C, consult with their own attorney. Or D, provide a copy of the record. The correct answer is A, to contact the client to determine their wishes. Since this request is coming from the client's lawyer, they may very well want us to turn over the record to them. If they do, then after doing A, we would do D. If they do not want us to turn over the record, we would then do B, assert privilege. At this time, there is no reason to do C. Thanks so much for listening. Remember, if you're studying for your exam and looking for the best LMSW, LCSW, or MFT exam prep program, please visit our website at therapistdevelopmentcenter.com to sign up. With a 95% pass rate, we offer the best study system on the market to help you pass your exam with confidence. Here at TDC, we're with you until you pass.